Are you experiencing difficulty with video generation? I just discovered a new way in creating videos for free with Grok. Don't forget to share this video so others can learn.
This is simply how to go about it. You just go to your Chrome browser or any other browser you are using. You go to it, then you search for KIA, KIE API. So you can see the way it is on my browser. So that is it. You search for it. So you now go to this one. You tap on the first one. So on here, on this site, you will be asked to log in with your email address. You have different video generators on this site. You have VO3, you have One Way, you have ChatGPT, you have Sono, different AI models that you can use on this site. But let's get started because of our time. So you click on get started here. Get started. Let's sign in with this email. So you choose the email address you want to use in signing in. So you click on the box that you are a human, you're not a robot. So I've been signed in. Once you get into the site, this search icon below your screen. So you search, we want to use Grok, so let's search for Grok. The AI model we want to use is Grok Imagine. So you can see, this is Grok here. Grok Imagine. And here you have $0.1 20 credit for 6 seconds. Text to video, image to video, text to image. So you tap on image to video. So let's click on try it. We want to try Grok. Click on try it. So allow it to open. So you now click on image to video. Under image to video, we say we should add an image. So you need to add your own image. I'll move this one. So you select file to add. So you go to your photo gallery and select the file you want to add. Let's use this image. Pardon me, don't mind my background, my space. So you allow it to load. So the image has been added. Enter the text ID of an image generated with the Grok model and here. So then you enter the prompt you want your image to talk about. Hello. On this page, we got your cover. Join us to learn like never before. So after adding your text, you put it on normal. You can change your aspect ratio to 9:16. Change your aspect ratio. Leave it like that. Output type. Then you click on generate. Click on this one for it to be generated. So let's wait for a video to be generated. So let's wait. So you can see it's generating. This is the progress. So let's wait. Let me pause the video. So our video is ready. Let's play it.
Hello, Christy Hub here. On this page, we got you covered. Join us to learn like never before.
So you can see how video has been created. So to download your video, you click on this download icon below your screen and your video will be downloaded to your device. So it's downloading. Click on download again depending on the type of phone you are using. So our video has been downloaded. So let's go and see it. Let's see our video. So you can see it's already on my device. And it's
Here on this page, we got you covered. Join us to learn like never before.
So you can see it's very sharp and clean. So with this key AI, you can use Grok, you can use VO3, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Cadence 2.0, you can use any video generator you desire to use. So this is simply how to access Grok for free on this site. Thank you very much for engaging with our videos on this channel. If you have not yet subscribed to our videos on this channel, kindly hit the subscription button, hit the like, hit the follow, hit the share, and give us a nice comment. And let me know in the comment section the type of video you want us to post again.
Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe or follow for more videos like this. Like, comment the type of video you want me to create again. See you in the next one.